this is Sam the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I'm going to do a little update on my pond. If you search below, you'll see some videos where I went ahead and dug out the pond. I broke through the hard pan using the tied-in stump bucket attachment. I had to pump out when it was real shallow so I could get down in there, because the water table is shallow and it was coming up. But as you can see, it filled in nicely. Then I did another video on planting aquatic plants. And as you can see, that's a floating island. It kind of goes wherever the wind blows it. But you can see some cattails I got planted. And you can see some lily pads going all the way around. You'll see lily pads. And you'll see cattails. Now I'm trying to grow grass up here, and you can see grass is starting to come in. The roots are going to go ahead and hold the dirt from washing down. I did the same thing over here. I'm hoping all these grow and that'll keep the dirt from washing down. But right down in here you can see some lily pads and some cattails. And if you could look right over there, there's a white flower on the lily pad and another one coming in down there. So the lily pads are liking where they're planted. When you see a flower, they're rooted, it's enjoying it, and they're coming in nicely. So anyway, I'm enjoying my pond. This pond is complete. It's still got to come up a little bit, but all that grass along the side, I want it to hang over as it's doing, and I want it to grow. That's going to hold the side, because if you look when I did it, I went straight down. I didn't contour it. Though it goes down, the bottom has a little bit of a contour. But I did that so when I put koi in there, the large birds with the long feet do not land and eat the koi. So you have to have that flat edge so they don't have a place to walk on it and wait for a koi to come up to them. Okay, so this is my pond update. I hope you think it's looking pretty good. Come next spring, it should be even fuller. I have to make 2 more islands to go in the center, and I'm going to put a aerator in the center. So it's going to look good, and it should all be grown in pretty soon. I don't know what else I'm going to go do to it. I may put a little dock out there so I can sit down with a bench. I don't know. But what I did over here is this is where I pot up plants. I put a ginu over here, put some plants in it. I put some plants in the back of it. This is like a little island. I'm going to go ahead and have a bench over there where the fire pit. So I'm trying to make it my own and make it usable so I can enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed my pond update.